Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I define my curls only using 2 products. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I left it a little bit damp so the mask can sit in properly without it drying up too fast. And as you can see, my hair is not defined and it's type 4C. So I'm really hoping this mask brings out some of my curls and hydrates my hair also. The first thing you'll need is this AZTEC Secret Indian Healing Clay. I have the link in the description for you guys. And I also use some apple cider vinegar, and make sure it says with the mother because that is the holy grail. So once you mix the 2 products together, you'll get this kind of consistency. Make sure you don't make it too thick or too watery. So make sure you apply it evenly to all the areas so it doesn't clump up, and start in like a small section first because I had to comb mine out for me to see the curls. And it was at this moment when I knew that this mask was very, very strong because gels don't even pop my curls like this. Like, it doesn't bring out this definition. I was really, really shocked. So then I decided to also spray some water because the mask started to dry really fast. So I recommend having a spray bottle by your side because the mask, because it's clay obviously, so it dries quite quickly. Yeah, so you can see like I'm very, very happy. I was not expecting it to work this quickly. I thought it would have to sit for a little bit longer, but yeah. Okay guys, so this is how it looks applied onto my head. I have tried my best to make it even, and even at the back where I couldn't see, I tried to make sure it wasn't too clumped up. So I let this sit on my head for about 30 minutes and the mask really dried up, like it was hard. But can you see these curls, you guys? Like, I was shook and I was like, oh, like I wonder how it's gonna look when I wash it out. But yeah, so far so good. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick clip of me washing out the clay. It's super easy to wash out. It doesn't stick at all, like it was perfect. And this sort of hair looks fresh out the shower. When I tell you, I was shocked. I can't even express it. My hair feels soft, like it feels incredibly soft, and it's never felt like this soft before. And I apply like really deep conditioners and all of that, but this so far has been the best product for my hair. But yeah, you guys, this mask was incredible. It produced amazing results and it works so well with my hair. I really hope it works for your hair too if you're going to try this out. Let me know in the comment description if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.